At 2GUD.com, we endeavor to make sure you get the best product and experience with perfectly refurbished phones. 2GUD certified products are refurbished by F1 Info Solutions and Services. Let's have a look at the F1 refurbishing facility. When a batch of phones arrives, it is sent to specialized inspection stations where each goes through several checks. Certified experts decide what the phone needs to be made fully functional again. If no problem is found in the phone, it is sent for cleaning and inspection. But what happens when there is a problem that can be easily fixed? Well, the experts fix it, whether it's software updates or part replacement. Experts do what is required to make it fully functional again. Once fixed, it is sent for quality checks, after which they are segregated into different grades basis their physical condition. They are then cleaned and packed neatly, so your phone looks its best when it reaches you. And that's how we bring you products of amazing value that are 2GUD certified.